Here I've got VIVO Y70, and let me show you how to change voicemail notification sound on the following device. So at first you need to open your phone dialer, tap on the more icon then, and go to the settings. Here you can find voicemail, so just click on it, select notifications, and go to sound. And you can pick one from the following sounds, from the following tones, and let me show you all of them. And then just pick the one that you would like to apply. So let me just happy. Then you can go back, and as you can see, it has been changed. So that would be all. So you can personalize the voicemail notification sound. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.